Hi everyone! Have you ever wanted to impress your friends and family with a dish that's not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make? Today we're making plov, or pilaf, a savory, well-seasoned rice dish that's perfect for any occasion. I made this for my boyfriend's board game night and it was such a hit that everyone wanted the recipe. So stick around to learn how to make this amazing dish step by step. Let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need: spices, cumin, turmeric, ginger root and bay leaves, rice, onions, garlic, carrots, avocado oil, salt, pepper, and of course, beef. Start by rinsing the rice until the water runs clear. I usually do about 5 to 8 rinses to get rid of the excess starch. After rinsing, soak the rice in filtered water and set it aside while you prep the other ingredients. Place the baby carrots and cleaned onions onto a plate. Next, peel a whole head of garlic and separate it into individual cloves. Arrange the cloves on a separate plate. I prefer using individual garlic cloves rather than adding whole garlic to the rice. This way the flavor is more evenly distributed throughout the dish. Set clean garlic cloves aside. Dice the carrots into small cubes. I like using a vegetable chopper. It saves me time and does an excellent job of creating perfect evenly sized cubes. Then slice the onions into half moons. It will bring more flavor to the dish. Now we're done preparing the vegetables. The next step is meat. Cut the beef into large cubes and set aside until ready to cook. Heat a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil in a skillet over medium heat. Also, heat some extra oil in the main pot for the dish. We will add meat and cook it until it's browned on all sides. Meanwhile, add onion to the main pot and cook them until translucent. Meat might produce liquid, so pour it into a bowl and set aside. We will be using it later. Add the diced carrots to the pot with onions and cook until tender. I'll add the remaining oil. You don't have to if you don't need to. I just had some left in my bottle. Mix well. Now add the meat to the skillet with the onions and carrots. Add your spices, cumin, turmeric, ginger root, salt and pepper. Stir everything together so the spices are evenly distributed. Pour in the reserved beef broth and finally add the garlic cloves. Once again, you may place a whole head of garlic. Make sure you peel it first. I prefer using cloves instead. Next, add hot water from a kettle until it just covers the ingredients. Add a bay leaf to the mixture and let it simmer for at least an hour or until the meat is tender and perfectly cooked through. After about an hour, drain the soaked rice and layer it on the top of the simmering mixture. Season with salt, then add enough hot water so that it sits about an inch above the rice. Do not mix anything here. Cover the pot and let it simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, use the back of the wooden spoon to make a few air holes in the rice to help it cook evenly. Cover again and cook for another 15 minutes. This will allow the flavors to melt and the rice to become perfectly fluffy. Once again, no stirring yet. Once the rice is cooked and fluffy, it's ready to serve. The rice should be tender and the flavors well developed. Gently fluff the rice with a few stirring motions, bringing the bottom ingredients to the top. The smell was irresistible and everyone loved it. I hope you enjoy making this dish as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to GFF for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!